See, this butterfly disguises itself as a dried leaf fallen from a tree to save its life. And look, this fish, to save its life, hides itself underwater in the mud, as if it is not a fish, but mud, and then it disappears into the mud. So in today's video, I will tell you about the most unique animals in the world that hide themselves to save their lives in such a way that a normal person can't recognize. Even the hunter cannot catch his prey, and in the list of these animals, there is an animal that if it sits on a tree, it does not seem to be a tree or an animal. So guys, you must watch this video till the end because you are going to be very surprised in this video, so let's start. So number 8 in our list is a fish called leptocephalus. So you must know that when a fish lays eggs, the hatchlings are eaten by other fishes and water creatures. But the leptocephalus is the sea creature that is most adept at hiding itself from predators. It looks like a fish, but it is not a fish. Actually, these are the babies of a special type of fish. When they come out of the eggs, their body becomes completely transparent so that they can protect themselves from the attack of other fish. These babies remain like this for 3 months, and after 3 months, when they are in a condition to fend for themselves, they completely recover their bodies. These fish have this survival technique naturally and can use it to keep themselves alive for a long time. The surprising thing is that not only their body is transparent, but all the organs in their body also become transparent, which makes them completely invisible in the water and no one can see them. So the 7th on our list is an insect called the leaf insect. Guys, if I ask you to become a statue, how long can you stay as a statue? I bet 99% of people will get tired and move in no time, because we humans cannot control our body that much. But the leaf insect is a creature that doesn't move at all, so any human being would be fooled by the sight of them, because they look just like the leaves of a tree. Especially when this insect is sitting on a leaf, the common man cannot recognize it whether it is a leaf or an insect. In fact, this insect is the favorite food of many wild animals and birds, so it has to do this to save its life. When it feels the slightest danger, it becomes completely statuesque to save its life, and it is a completely harmless insect that does not harm us. Their food is the fruits of the trees, and they spend their whole life on the trees, and their babies also move very little. Also on our list at number 6 is an insect named leaf-tailed gecko. Guys, if you call it the best hiding creature in the world, it will not be wrong, because it hides itself in the trees in such a way that it becomes impossible to find it. This strange-looking lizard is found on various islands in the world. If it sits on a tree, it looks like dead leaves, making it impossible to find. And not only this lizard can also change its color according to the environment. Because of this power, he does not have to go anywhere else to find food, but his food itself comes to him. At number 5 on our list is a sea creature called the pygmy seahorse. It is a very small sea creature with a size of only 2 centimeters. These sea creatures are mostly found in the seas of Japan and Indonesia. These creatures are so adept at hiding that they cannot be caught by any aquatic animal. They spend their lives mostly on aquatic plants, and they change their body color according to these plants. At number 4 on our list is decorator crabs. It is a sea creature. It is also known as spider decorator crab because it looks exactly like a spider. According to biologists, this creature is a favorite food for many aquatic animals. Its whole body is unusual, and it has different colored hairs all over its body, which looks like a plant. And this crab can also change its color whenever it goes near to a plant. In a short time, it completely disappears and changes its color exactly like that plant. That is why it is absolutely impossible to find this crab in the sea. At number 3 on our list is buff-tip moth. Guys, these insects are one of the most invisible creatures in the world. The main reason for this is that they look exactly like chopped wood. You too must have seen this creature as just a piece of wood. Its front and back color is just such that it looks exactly like wood. They are mostly found in gardens and forests and are most visible in the hot months of June and July. It spends its entire winter inside trees, and this insect also has wings. So whenever it opens its wings, it can be seen moving. At number 2 on our list is a fish called right-eyed flounder. This fish is just like a flatfish, which is completely invisible in water. Whenever this fish is swimming in water, you can see right across it. This fish is mostly found at the bottom of the sea, so it is more flat, and it is transparent, as well as hides itself in the sea mud. This fish can also change its color like other sea creatures. So guys, now let's talk about this butterfly, which is number 1 in our list. Its name is oak leaf butterfly. Friends, you must have seen many butterflies in your life, but you have never seen a butterfly like this in your life. When you see it for the first time, you will think that it is a dry leaf that has fallen from a tree. This butterfly is very beautiful to look at. Its most special feature is that its wing looks like a dry leaf from the outside, while the inside is very beautiful. So guys, how did you feel after hearing about all the animals in our list? And let us know in the comment section if you have seen any such animal in your life.